It's just a little motorized drunkie hut. Here we go, Intercontinental Miami. We've stayed here once before. Loved it twice before, haven't we?
Twice.
Let's go check it out. Oh, look at this. We will have to tour this in detail. We need a check-in and a battery change. Okay, 1308. A bay view. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to show you that view, but first, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to have to take a pause, get all the lights on. Okay, I got all the lights on. Now, let's start with the bathroom. Would you kill that TV? Copyrighted music, you know. Okay, wonderful bathroom. Oh, this is different setup than the last room we were in at this hotel. And it was a bay view also. Look at this shower. I love that shower. And a big bathtub. Wow. What's in here? Oh, look how cute. Couple of glasses, nice mirror. Last time we had slippers. This time we got no slippers.
I brought slippers.
You brought slippers. In here we've got your standard iron, which I need. A nice big safe. Oh, our only one though. I'm sure they'd give us another one if we wanted it. Oh, now look at this. This is cute. That is a nice cup holder. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to use that. Some waters. I'm sure there's a fridge in here. Oh, there's more than a fridge in here. Look at that. There's some liquor up in there. And some wine and candies. We'll have to go in. Here's your fridge. We're gonna have to go look and see what all that costs, so I'll tell you. Oh, here we've got some teapods. I don't know what those are. Oh, here, this will tell you. This tells you how much the mini bar is. I'll put that here on the screen. Now look at this room. Big, nice king. Nice reclining couch over there. Big TV. Nice table. Now look at this view. Oh man, the water's clearer than the last time we were here. You can see the sandbar over there. Seafair down there. Can you see people down by the pool? Bayside right over there. Cruise ships, the Carnival Conquest. Disney. My wife found the slippers. We do have slippers. She regretted not taking those slippers last time. They look pretty cool. See the Ferris wheel? Well, this is a heck of a room. We're Diamond Elite now. We're new to Diamond Elite. We have not been before. And we get either the choice of 600 points at check-in or free breakfast. So I took the free breakfast. We'll check that out in the morning. But here is the in-room dining breakfast if you wanted such a thing. That's pretty cool. Oh, in-room dining, not breakfast. It's pricey, but everything in Miami is. I mean, you don't go cheap in Miami. It ain't the place for it. Look at that. We'll be able to watch those cruise ships sail out today. Okay, let's see. By the bed, do we have some good plugs? You gotta have plugs by the bed these days. Oh, I'll show you that later. The way the blinds come down is so cool. Oh yes, okay, they're in the side here. Can you see that? Couple of USBs. Ooh, a USB-C and a regular plug on both sides over there also. Those are really cool. I will give you a tour of downstairs and show you breakfast. Look at this thing coming along right here. It's just a little motorized drunkie hut. Gotta put the Jack Sparrow music over this. Taking the waves all that well. How's it gonna handle the weight from this boat right here coming along? Wake in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Out getting a little sun. It's a reason men buy boats like that. Carnival Conquest sailing out of Miami. Guess it's gonna come over there, turn around, head back. Miami starts here. Got the store. Store has a lot of stuff. Pretty nice. They have a menswear shop. You know, I'm actually gonna look for a shirt. Don't think I can afford a shirt in there, but I'm gonna look all the same. Got this beautiful lobby. Got Toro Toro right over there, and Olay is somewhere over there. I need an ATM because I picked up my wallet and my keys and left all my cash right there on the nightstand. Where? Oh, it sure is. What is Sixth? Is that a thing? What is that? Oh. Okay, I got my cash out of the ATM and it cost me $5. Down here, oh, there's two rental places here. There's a Moxie and a Sixth. Sixth is a rental, car rental company. Oh, another ATM. Starbucks, look at that. Starbucks. FedEx. Oh, I'm looking at the floor. Why am I looking at the floor? FedEx. Citibank down here. FedEx has everything you need in there for shipping. Oh, I think this was closed off last time I was down here. Little snack shop. Citibank, an actual bank over there. Okay. Yeah, a little coffee shop. Let's scope out where breakfast is in the morning. Olay is down here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that picture right there. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, here's where breakfast is. Very nice, big area. Here is Toro Toro. Very nice also. Here's the menu. Through the spa to get into the pool.
Welcome, welcome. My name's Jessica, I'm the manager, so just let me know if you have any other questions. Of course. I'm trying to find the restaurant. So there's one outdoor by the pool, or if not, you can go to the spa. You say pool. Yes, so you would go down to the spa, follow the curved wall all the way around.
Oh, look at these grounds. Reasonable temperature outside, huh? Oh, the restaurant's open. I gotta check it out. Is it open?
No, it's not. It's washed off.
Yeah. I don't think they're done yet. Oh, it's a shame. Oh, this is nice. Look at that.
Hello, good afternoon.
How you doing? Oh, thank you. Yeah, let's see how they're coming along with that restaurant.
It's not a restaurant, it's a cabana.
Oh, it's cabana. Oh, there are cabanas on the water and all.
Nice.
Let's take a look. What do these cabanas look like? Oh, that's beautiful. They have a water view. That's really nice. I wonder how much something like this is gonna run. I'll see that view out there. Really nice.
Access to the pool.
Oh, back there is all those split unit air conditioners. Nice place over here to lay out in the sun. Over there. The back side of the cabanas. So it doesn't look like you'll be able to get out there. They've got most of their split units out there. Nice.
Yeah, flew here, directly got on a flight. So it's gonna be 50 minutes. It's marked down to 159. It's normally 250. So you're gonna get that 50 minutes of massage, very relaxing, but it does include hot stones, aromatherapy, scalp massage, and a foot scrub. And the foot scrub's got this beautiful cucumber scent to it. Very aromatic. Thank you. Of course.
Good morning from Intercontinental Miami. Doing a little time lapse there of the sunrise that didn't actually rise. Maybe you'll see it at some point in that time lapse. Down here, somebody is having a wedding today. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll check that out if it happens before we leave. Carnival sunrise over there. Let's go check out some breakfast. Very subdued this morning, but it's only what, 8:23. let's go check out Ole for breakfast, which is normally not included, but is included as a perk for our check-in. So let's see. Oh, look at that up there. I didn't even notice that earlier. Look at that. The Ole restaurant.
Has a nice salt and pepper set.
This is your menu, but there's also a buffet. So let's go see the buffet. Cold cuts, fruits. Oh, that's nice. Oh, like an omelet station. We got eggs, hash browns, bacon, sausage. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna try it. And some pancakes and mini waffles. Over here you got a bread station, fruits, parfaits, cereals. Oh, this is a well-equipped buffet. Oh my, look at that.
That's the same thing I said.
That's so cool.
That's something you never see anywhere.
Yeah, you never see that. Okay, if you missed that, actual honeycomb. Look at that, y'all. It is normally $34 a person before tip and automatic 18% gratuity. That's a lot. Look at that. It's ambience. Okay, y'all, that was a wonderful breakfast. Maybe the nicest breakfast buffet I've seen ever in a hotel. But it was $34 a person before tax and tip, with an automatic 18% gratuity. So, you know, be aware of that. Of course, it's Miami. Everything's expensive. We were comped it because of a Diamond Elite check-in deal. It was either points or free breakfast. Free breakfast is definitely the better choice there. 600 points versus free breakfast. That equates to like 10,000, 12,000 points. So, okay. I think that is almost it for the Intercontinental. We check out today, and we're taking a red coach, first class bus, back to Orlando. We're going to see what that's like. Check that out. Wedding coming along nicely. Okay, check out how this works. I know how it works properly now. If you want the shear down, shear up. Blackout down. Blackout up. And the controls are right here. Shear down. Just press it once. Stop it. Send it up. Very nice. Okay, one last look. Time for checkout. And headed toward the airport. That is it for Intercontinental Miami. Maybe my favorite hotel to stay at when I'm coming for a cruise. It's pricey, I'll give it that, but it's right there. You saw that view. Thanks for watching. Headed to the airport.